Welcome from Collaborate in Las Vegas. I'm Nigel Yule, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm joined by Gwen Chie from Serta Simmons Bedding. Gwen, hi.
Hi, Nigel.
Now, Gwen, I know you're talking here and you've been talking about what you're doing in terms of profitability using the Hyperion product. So maybe talk a little bit about the situation before you started the project, what you were trying to achieve.
Yeah, so Serta Simmons Bedding is a subsidiary of AOT Bedding. We're owned by AOT Bedding, and what we were before is two separate bedding companies, which had disparate reporting system and disparate reporting practices. So our goal when we started the project was basically to have a unified reporting structure where the systems can report off of a unified chart of accounts, and the Hyperion products that we had didn't give us the capability to do that. So and having a new ERP system, in order to get all of those built, we work with a consulting partner, Grant Thornton, to basically implement a stack of Hyperion products, which will help us to implement a profitability solution, and also help us with our financial close. One of the challenges that we had in doing this implementation was really having one source of the truth, one system that was source of the truth, and governance. That was a big deal. So internally we worked in IT to develop a data warehouse system which will provide that source of the truth, and using Hyperion products such as S-Space and planning to build an allocation system, an allocation engine that would perform allocations across the board for our dealers and products, as well as for how we handle our dealer expenses, and basically load that information into what we call a profitability solution, right? So that was basically what we did in that process.
Okay, and I guess you've got a pretty complex requirement of profitability by product, by dealer, by product range, I guess probably geography as well, that sort of stuff?
Yes, absolutely, yeah. So we had to basically implement the solution, tracking dealers, products, facilities, as well as cost centers, Yeah, so that was,
so it's a pretty complex allocation process.
Absolutely, it was, yes.
So you've completed that now. What are the sort of results you're seeing from that?
Well, we've had amazing results. In the past, one of the challenges that we had, which led us to implement DRM, was with metadata. So our builds in the morning prior to, with one company, doing this with one company prior to actually getting a profitability solution built in the morning, a cube ready for the business to look at in the morning, would take us probably about 3.5 to 4 hours. Whereas now with this combined governed company structure with DRM sort of, handling all the metadata, as well as, this new data warehouse system, which does, our ETL processes. We are now seeing our builds have gone from 3.5 hours to under 45 minutes in the morning.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So great time savings there.
Yeah, and I mean DRM, it's a great saving. People tend not to think about the fact that hierarchies need to be managed across a wide range of products, of applications.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Gwen, thank you very much for sharing all that with us, and good luck with your projects as you go forward.
Thank you very much, Nigel.
And thank you for joining us.